Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today we are playing Subway Surfers. Just one match, guys. It's not gonna be totally long because I have to go to bed soon. Y'all probably have to go to bed soon. It is about 8:55. Y'all probably have to get to bed soon. So I'm just gonna play this match and then I'll be good. So guys, thank you for watching. Oh, also guys, let me pause this real quick. If you want me to play Fortnite, then make sure you comment down below, because if I get to 10 subscribers, I will play Fortnite Mobile with y'all guys. So let's resume this. Oh crap. But thank y'all guys for watching. This will be the end of the video.